What if I told you that your trading plan and the methodology that you use to trade resonates with you because it's nothing more than the beliefs you have about the market and the way the market moves? Would you change your approach? Would you have a different attitude towards your trading plan? Would you have a different attitude towards the losses, towards the wins that you make or take during your trading? The reason why I say this is because, do you realize that a big influx of traders all ran towards this SMC, ICT, all this other stuff that popped up in the name of bank trading or trade like how the banks trade? Is because most traders have been swayed to believe that the market is moving because of the big institutions, and therefore they need to know how the big institutions trade, which I don't want to say is far from the truth or close to the truth. But all that I am saying is that there are many other traders who are trading Fibonacci retracement levels, who are trading trend lines, who are trading Ichimoku clouds, Ichimoku systems, and they are way more successful than the people who are trading the so-called SMC, ICT and all that. But the reason why those people are so inclined and keep going after trading in that way or trying to find strategies that claim to trade in line with the banks is because they believe. The key part is that that's what they believe. They've been made to believe that. If they did not believe that, maybe they would be profitable. Maybe they would be more profitable trading Ichimoku clouds. Maybe they would be more profitable trading stochastic retracements, Fibonacci retracements, oversold, overbought levels on RSIs and Fibonacci's. Maybe they'll be more comfortable and more profitable again trading MAs, moving averages. But because they've been led to believe a certain thing, even if you had to show them a profitable strategy, that has to do with moving averages or RSI or stochastic, they would not be able to take advantage of that profitability and of that success with that given strategy, because they do not believe that that's how the banks trade. They believe the banks trade with equal highs, equal lows, all these weird things that people speak about. Now, I'm not going to say I'm bashing other people or whatnot, because that's what they believe in and they have the right to believe in that. But all I'm saying is that if you took a step back as an aspiring trader or as a progressing trader and actually looked and said, why do I trade in this specific way? Why do I over leverage? You might find that it's actually not that you might find, it's actually caused by your belief system. You believe you can't make a lot of money unless you put on size. You believe that you have to trade a specific way. Otherwise, you will not be able to make consistent profits. Whereas profitability is all up here. Profitability is not on the screen. Profitability is not even in your trading plan. Funny enough, because that trading plan is your beliefs about the market. And if your beliefs about the market change, you could have a new trading plan with new beliefs about how the market works and you'd still be profitable. So anytime you change here is when everything around you will change. If you've all heard the saying, most probably all of you have heard it, that are aspiring entrepreneurs, where they say, if you want to change the environment, you have to change the man. What that simply means is, if you want to change the results you are getting, or the area, or the way people are interacting or viewing you, you've got to change in here. Change the way you do things, change your belief system, change the way you treat yourself and present yourself towards your environment, towards your job, and towards the people around you. Many people are unhappy with their lives because they are not coming correct about their belief systems. Their belief systems and the beliefs they have in their minds are the ones that are causing them to be unhappy. Because people have put in work, because people have been programmed that if they've put in work, their work is certain. That's what creates the expectations in people's minds. It creates expectation that whenever I put on a trade, following my trading plan, it should win because I put in 2, 3 years, 6 years, because I paid mentorship fee that was £500. So it has to work, which doesn't correlate in trading. How much you put, whether it's money or work, doesn't matter because it's all probability. All you found is that this age is one thing playing out over another thing. So even if you've put in 3 years of work to come up with this trading plan, this age, even if you've put in £500 towards mentorship to have this age, all you paid for was £500 to have one thing, to know that one thing could play out over another thing. The only thing that can save you is having a plan here. And the plan you need to have here is being able to deal with uncertainty. Let go of your expectations, manage your trades according to the plan. If you take break even, that was in your trading plan. That was part of your trading plan. If you take a loss in your trading plan, that loss has been facilitated into that trading plan. And if you take a profit, that profit has been facilitated in your trading plan. It's all probability. When you execute a trade, there are 3 outcomes. Don't walk into trades thinking when you execute a trade, there's one outcome, which is a win. Whenever you execute a trade, there are 3 outcomes: loss, break even, profit. And the moment you execute a trade, for those who want to avoid losses, guess what? The moment you open that trade, it's already losing. So you could never avoid a loss in trading. The only way you can avoid a loss in trading is if price plays out in the direction in which you want to trade it, and you manage it and manage to come out with break even or profit or partials, maybe. But you've got to let go of expectations. The expectations are the ones hindering your progress, and the expectations have been created by your belief system about life and trading in general, and the expectations are here. Once you have a plan here on how to manage losses if you come across them, how to manage break evens if you come across them, how to manage profits if you come across them, that is when things will begin to look up for you in your trading. If you cannot come up with a plan on how to manage those 3 outcomes in your mind, trading will never work out for you. Maybe many more things also in life would never work out for you. It's the same concept of having a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Whenever you meet someone new, you don't, the many outcomes, you don't walk in like it's the be all end all, put my whole life on the line, it's the end, fuck it, I'm willing to die. You don't walk in on that type of vibe, right? Because the relationship could either work out, the relationship could either not work out, and the relationship could work out for a short period of time, and there could be highs and lows, and it eventually not works out, which would be equated to it not working out, stop loss, it working out, take profit, it not working out or having its highs and lows, and you guys had some dates and then eventually you broke up. Even if you had dates, could be taking partials and break even. So do you see the reasoning that you have to have? You need to be able to risk manage and manage risk and manage your psychology in all aspects of your life. If you think it's just about trading, you're mistaken. How you do one thing is how you do everything. How you live your life in one aspect is how you live it in all aspects. So it's the trade we're currently running right now, guys. This is EU London session trade, and this is what you're currently running right now. I haven't moved stops to break even, waiting for this low to be broken. If this low gets taken out, to move our stops to break even. But at the same time, as you can see, that dotted line is for partials. That's where I'll be taking my partials, and then we're going for full TP here. This is a 1:3. Yes, as you can see, 1:3.5 type trade. And if we get our partials, we hit TP, we'll see what happens with the trade. We don't know what's going to happen, see what happens. But if all that happens, we're done trading for the day. So this trade opened, and it's been about maybe 10 to 15 minutes of it running, so we'll see what happens. So yeah guys, as you can see, partials have been taken, TP has been smashed. This is 1:353, and yeah, trade done trading for London, actually for the day. But yeah, this is how it goes. Sometimes it's break even, sometimes it's stop loss, sometimes it's partials then break even. Sometimes we never know the result. All we can do is follow our trading plan. If I've been of service, if I've added value, if there's something in this video that you can take away and use in your daily life that will help your life improve, please like, share and subscribe guys. This will motivate me to share some of the things that I find out in this world of trading. If you like the honesty, I'm very happy to share it. It'll also motivate me by you guys showing me your love and support to put out more videos and for us to be a community together. You guys also should comment on the videos so that, you know, we can chat, we can share ideas, see where we can help each other. But till then, much love. Thanks for the appreciation guys. Thank you for the 10 subscribers.